next topic we are having trinomial factorization. Trinomial word meaning is when you are having three terms, so that one is called as trinomial. So this is the expression x square plus bx plus c. Okay, so when an expression of the type x square plus bx plus c is to factorize, when we want to factorize this one, so what we have to do, we have to split the middle term bx, this term we have to split into two parts so that their product is equal to AC. इसका जो product होगा, this one will be equal to AC and their sum or difference will be equal to B. Okay, so how can you understand this one? First take an example. Okay, take this one. First example, I am taking a square plus 5a minus 36. Okay, so first thing is what we have to multiply a and c. Okay, so here we are not having anything, that means we are having only 1. So that means we have to split 36 like that. Okay, so their multiplication will be 36 but their addition or subtraction must be equal to 5. Okay, so what number will take? 36 is coming in which table? 9 fours are. Okay, and what we can do, we want positive 5. Okay, so that means we can take this one as minus 4. Okay, so 9 minus 4 will be 5. Okay, subtraction will be, it gives 5 and multiplication will gives 36. Okay, so how will you write this? We are going to write like this: 9a minus 4a minus 36. Okay, now take a common, so here you will get 1a plus 9, then take minus 4 common, so here you will get a plus 9. Okay, then what will you get? A plus 9 is common. As you can see here, this bracket is common, so I am writing this bracket one time, a plus 9. Okay, and then in second bracket I am going to write the remaining one, that means a here, a, and this one minus 4. So these are the factor of this trinomial expression. Okay, so we have completed this one here. Then the next example, what we can take? Next example we can take another example. 6x square minus 7x minus 20. So what you can do? First thing is what we have to do, we have to multiply these two, right? So you will get 20 into 6, so you will get what? 120. So we have to break 120 as their multiplication must be 120 but their addition or subtraction must be 7, middle term. Okay, minus 7 we want. So when you multiply 15 into 8, you will get 120. Okay, but here what we want minus 7. So for that what we have to do, take this one 15 as a minus negative number, minus 15. So when you add 8 you will get minus 7 number. Okay, now so how will you solve this one? 6x square minus this one, we are going to split this 7 into minus 15x plus 8x and minus 20. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to take common here. So here we can take 3 common, and what we can take common, x we can take common. So remaining is what, 3 2s are 6. So here you will get 2, and x is remaining, and then minus x already we have taken. Okay, then 15 divided by 3. So what will you get? 5 you will get. Okay, then plus here 8 and 20, you can take 4 common. Okay, and in bracket you will get 2x minus 5. Same bracket, every time you will get the same bracket in trinomial factorization. So this bracket and this bracket must be same. So I am going to write this bracket one time, that means 2x minus 5. Okay, and then the remaining numbers in one bracket, that means 3x plus 4. So this one will be 3x plus 4. So this one is the trinomial factorization for trinomial number. Okay, trinomial expression we can say that. Okay, so we have completed this trinomial fraction topic also.